Welcome to our guide on how to efficiently manage your Twitter accounts by adding them to lists directly from profiles on your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open your Twitter account on your PC and navigate to the profile of the account you wish to add to a list. Once you've found the profile, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the profile page and either tap or click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, where you should select the option Add or Remove from Lists. After selecting this option, a window will display the lists you have created on Twitter. Simply click on the checkboxes next to the lists you want to add the account to. Ensure you have checked all the desired lists, then click on the Save or Done button to confirm your selections. By following these simple steps, you have successfully added the account to your chosen lists on Twitter. Organize your Twitter experience efficiently by utilizing this feature. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more valuable tutorials.